like food or water?
Let me know when you want.
Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. Editor Scott here and we're passing out burritos and water.
Hello!
We're here in Skid Row.
Do you want this is water. Do you want a burrito as well? Do you want it spicy or not spicy? Spicy? Okay. There you go.
Not sponsored, but we got a ton of these Death Liquid cans and they're just water. They look like beers, but they're not. They're just water, straight water. How you doing? Pretty good. Just give us a minute.
Do you want a spicy or non-spicy burrito? We got spicy and non-spicy burritos.
It is spicy.
Spicy. Okay, this is water. Doesn't look like it, but it is. And spicy burrito. Do you want some socks?
Sure.
Some regular old socks.
Oh, what was it? Sauce.
No, not sauce, socks.
Okay.
Yeah. All right.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, have a good one. Sauce is on there. Yep.
So Death Liquid donated a bunch of these waters. They're kind of cool. I think they're cool.
You just have to make sure you clarify that this is not a beer.
This is not a beer, but I will shotgun one by the end of the night, so.
No cerveza es agua.
Yeah. So, I mean, we're not sponsored by them, but we'd like to be.
Hello. Do you want a burrito? Do you want spicy, picante, no picante?
Burritos and water, free burritos and water,
Con chile?
free food and water,
No chile?
free food and water.
Es agua. No cerveza, es agua. Sí, bueno. And socks? Buenas noches.
Damn, I wish I would have went into that place, the Green Buddha, while it was open. I mean, shopping for my cousin, of course. Yeah, my
What is the
cousin.
Green Buddha?
That place, that weed place that used to always donate to
back
us.
On, yeah.
Yeah.
Are they closed now?
I think they're closed because of later. Like, you don't want to, as a pot shop, you don't want to be open when it's dark. Yeah. That dude always used to kick us $100.
That was nice.
That was nice of him.
Hello, this is water. Yeah, do you want a spicy or non-spicy? Spicy. Do you want some socks?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want a spicy or non-spicy burrito? Non-spicy, that's this. Do you want some socks too? Socks? There you go. Yep.
Yo, you got the beanie bag. Do you want a burrito? Do you want a burrito? Come on.
Food and water. Murder your thirst. That's what
This side. Murder your thirst, man.
that's why it's liquid death.
It's liquid death.
We have spicy and non-spicy burritos, and this is water. Do you want a spicy burrito? There you go. And I got some socks if you want socks.